going on, guys? Back with another bit of an update. It's going to be putting these, my new rods on my pistons. Got some spool rods and ACL pistons, so got all my rings, bearings. So pretty much in this video is going to be putting this bottom end together. Just sitting here ready to go. And then next video I'll be getting the head and everything else bolted on. So show you a bit of doing this today, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I just finished up getting the oil pump and the oil pump housing all together and on with a new seal. So that's all on. If you saw that in that time lapse, main seal and housing is on. Fresh gaskets, fresh seals. So I'm just going to put the sump gasket on, or the pickup first. And then just going to quickly put this on, and then put the sump gasket and sump on so the bottom end's complete, and then we'll start bolting a few other little things on. Rightio, that pickup's on. Just going to clean all this up, give it a quick wipe and wax and grease. And put this new sump gasket on and put the sump on. And that's pretty much it for the bottom end. I'll figure out what else I can bolt on till I get the head back. Rightio, sump's all done. Bottom end is together, so cheering about that. So Welsh plugs. I might grab an oil filter tomorrow, fill it up with oil so it's sitting there ready for the first run in. But yeah, I'll start putting a few other little things on. Put this thermostat on, or the housing. Actually, no, I won't be doing that because I want to get a new thermostat. But yeah, I'll figure out what else I can throw on tonight, and whatever I can, I'll put on tomorrow. Righto, that's going to be it for tonight of putting this back together. So far I've got the rear main housing and ceiling. Set the engine mounts back on. They're both on. Oil pump and housing is on. Sump's on. I've just set that on quickly because I need to get a new thermostat for that tomorrow. So yeah, that's probably it for tonight. Tomorrow I'll grab a water pump, thermostat, oil filter, oil, fill it up, get that on properly. I might buy some new cool radiator hoses. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Other than the Welsh plugs, which fuck, I might have to pull that back off to get that in. I forgot about that. But anyway, yeah, that's it so far. How are we? Back here again today. Picked up a few other little things. Got some of this header wrap to wrap the exhaust manifold in. New water pump, oil filter, oil, and thermostat. Can put that on properly. So yeah, slap all these few little things on and